Hey guys, welcome to Circuit for You. This is video 2 of series Arduino for beginners. So in this video we will see programming with Blink program. So let's start the video. Here I am holding my Arduino board. So as discussed in the previous video, you can see that the header pins are present on both sides. So through these header pins, we are going to connect many output and input devices with Arduino. So for this particular program, we are going to use output device which will be LED. If you observe the LED carefully, then you will notice that one leg is longer than other. So this longer leg is positive terminal of LED, whereas the short leg is negative terminal of LED. Now we will connect the positive terminal of the LED, that is longer leg, to pin number 13 and the short leg to ground present on the Arduino board. Actually, you can connect this LED anywhere from pin number 0 to pin number 13. With Arduino board, you will get a programming cable in which one end will be USB type and another will be B type. So this USB type will be connected to your PC or laptop for programming, and another end, that is B type, will be connected with Arduino board. The LED on the board is on, that is we have powered our Arduino board. Now let's start programming. Here I have opened my software, that is Arduino IDE, and this is how it looks like. In some cases, you will see last program which was open on your software, or simply you will see a blank program like me. If any other program is open in your case, then simply click on File, then click on New. A new blank program will open. So now you can close the old program tab. For better understanding, I will clear all the stuff present on the screen. So in very first line of the program, we will declare the pin which we have used to connect the LED. So we will write INT LED and the pin number, that is 13. Now we will write our setup part. In setup part, we will tell our microcontroller, that is Arduino, that is the device connected is output device. So we will write pin mode, LED and output. Now we have completed the setup part of our program. So now let's write loop part. So in the loop part, we will use a command, that is digital write. So with this command, we will turn on and turn off our LED. To provide a particular time in which our LED should be on and off, we will use a command, that is delay. Here 1000 is equal to 1 seconds. To make the LED on, we have used the word high inside the bracket, and to make the LED off, we have used low word inside the bracket. Since Arduino IDE is a case sensitive programming software, so you need to be very careful about the commands and the letters which you are going to use in the programming. Here we have completed the programming part, so now let's save the program. So you can save this program in your PC or laptop at any location. After the program gets saved, it will start compiling the program. In compilation, the software will search for any syntax error present in the program. Here, the program is successfully compiled. Now let's upload the program to our Arduino board. The LEDs on the Arduino board will blink once the program is successfully uploaded on the board. Here the program is successfully uploaded, and you can see that the LED on pin number 13 is blinking with frequency of 1 second. To make some different patterns of blinking, you can change the delay. Also, you can change the pin number or you can connect multiple LEDs with Arduino. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends.